Whoops, what happened? Not sure what happened, folks. Hopefully it just split the file in half. It's a new equipment I got there. So there's that. Okay. I sure hope this is going to be working out okay for me. What I imagined when it comes to using the tape is that I can manipulate the wood, because tape is only so strong, right? I can manipulate it as I move along. Okay. Get you lined up a little bit better. I'll talk to your projects. I do it all the time. Sometimes I use words I shouldn't use. I'm talking to my projects. All right. Can we be honest? Can we be honest? What can be real life, right? So, yeah, there you go. This is what I would call a real hands-on experience. Okay? So we'll call this the first draft. First time going around. And I'll fine tune it. Start moving the pieces together. Okay. I'm going to go back around. Repeat. What I really want to see, of course, is a nice tight bond here. Okay. Sure. Because it's just tape, I can move this, manipulate it. And I see more glue has come out. Okay. What I'm going to do now is flip it, nice and gentle, so I can get an idea of what this side looks like. I'm just going to push it together. Oh, I just moved everything. Of course, that's a learning curve there. I don't want to be too rough. So I suspect my first draft here is going to be just that. First time using this tape. I can already see that they're not squeezing together, and again I just moved everything just now because I was a little too rough. Times like this I wish I had some more basic lamps. I guess if I can immediately call out what the benefit of the basic clamps is, that once you get them where you want them positioned, and I tighten up those straps a little bit or incrementally, I can manipulate them, and the whole thing isn't going to come apart like I just experienced. It's not the end of the world. The glue is still quite wet. I just tend to be a little, let's just say, a little uptight when it comes to clamping and gluing. If you think about it, you went through a lot of work to get to where you are. And you don't want to lose all that progress at the clamping up part. What I'm going to do is I'm going to gently move it around, put some more tape on it, as I started to do before in the middle. This time I'm not going to pick it up again, as I did before. Light that up a little bit there. We'll exercise a little bit more caution, why don't we? All right. I'm just going to pinch, pull a little bit. I don't doubt that this is going to be a problem, that this is going to come apart. I think the glue is going to do its job. But like I said, best way to learn a thing is to do a thing, right? And that's exactly what we're doing here. We'll be able to, once I get the video off the camcorder and I watch it, be able to put an exact, well, an exact, somewhat of a time stamp on what it took me to use the tape versus the Bessie clamps. Okay? Tell you what I'm tempted to do. I'm going to do it. I'm just going to follow my gut. We'll think about that. We do that when our woodworking. We go with gut. Usually gut is right. Gut feeling. Let's try to get some more of the moisture off. And then we're going to, I'm going to completely wrap it again with the tape. I'm going to go around with one seamless, one piece. I'm going to pull as I do that. I want to say painter tape has come a long way since it first came out. I just feel like I just left the painting business and this thing called painter tape was coming out. And I thought, where was that? I used to paint 3 houses a day with my crew. 3 houses a day. I did all aspects of painting. And we had to move along. We really did. So what I'm doing is I'm pulling on the tape as I put it on, holding the pieces together. I feel like I got to do the price on painter's tape. How much does this stuff cost? Nowhere near a Bessie clamp, I'll tell you that. Okay. I honor the subscriber that said, you should try. I see him using painter's tape. Well, I'm giving it a try. I'm sure, just like using the Bessie clamps, it's only my second time. Same thing's going to apply here. That'll get better and smarter about the deal. But, you know, for the most part, I'm feeling pretty good about it. So what I'll do is I'll take these pieces upstairs where the heat is more stable. It certainly can't keep my heat on down here in the wood shop all the time. It gets quite expensive. One of the a few times I like to throw things in the woodshop. Toss it, my friend. Okay? You trust me? You know, if you're a novice at gluing, you'll know. You'll pay that price. Trying to get that glue off when it's dry is not fun. Alright, so I'm just pushing it a little bit more. I really am looking forward to it. Good thing these are staying in the family. I can watch their progress over time. I think I'm going to be happy with that. Yep. So there you go. We have one with the Bessie clamps, one set with the Bessie clamps, and one with the painter's tape. This just seems like a good idea. Stabilize them. So that pieces don't move away from each other. That just seems to make a lot of sense. Right there. Let's flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Again, verifying that each corner is approximately where it should be, if not exactly where it should be. All right. I'm feeling a lot better about this. All right, I wanted to share that one of my subscribers won the radio arm saw. I'm downsizing on my tools, getting rid of some redundancy, and I won't give their name away either, but they won the radio arm saw. I didn't highly publicize that effort, but I just sort of did it in a way that gave some local folks a chance, some of my friends. I mean, not like what I'm saying, you know, just being truthful. For one, I won't have to pay for shipping costs to get that over to them. But we're going to be doing some giveaways in 2020. Again, thanks for watching SHhhhhhhhh Custom Designs. Watching me fumble through my very first tape up job using painter's tape, and the other one, the Bessie clamps. This is probably how I will display the video. These guys look like this. Thanks for tuning in. Take care. I'm going to do my new thing where I say goodbye in several languages. Shalom uvracha lechavim sheli b'aretz Yisrael. Well, tov. Goodbye to my folks, friends in Israel. It's Hebrew. Masalami. Peace be upon you in Arabic. Tutzins. Afrikaans. For I think it's see you later. And that's Zaijian to the Mandarin, mainland China. Taiwanese, Chinese, a little bit different. So I lived all over the world for 6 years when I was a kid, a teenager, as a missionary. So that was a lot of fun. Thanks again. Apologize if the video was too long for you, but hopefully you enjoyed the ride here at SHhhhhhhh Custom Design. Look forward to unclamping these and going to the next step where we're going to just very carefully modify the outsides of the units with some decorative routing. We'll leave the insides so that there's more space for things to sit in there, because that's what my daughter's going to do with them, put things in there. And I'm going to hang them on the wall. So if she's okay with it, I'll take a picture and video of that real quick. Thanks again. Bye-bye now.